Hello, welcome. It is right now about 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a Saturday. I just got home from Christmas break and the room that I come to here is a mess. It's not even a mess, it's just like cluttery. I have a bunch of stuff that I left behind that I don't even use. I don't like the decorations. It's just like not fun to come back to, so I thought it would be fun. I remember Morgan Yates actually did a video like this where she redid her high school room, and I was like, that would be really fun because I love to decorate and I love all that stuff. So that is a plan. I got interrupted. Let me just finish this. Yes, I'm just gonna be redecorating, reorganizing, clearing out, all that stuff, and I thought it'd be fun to video. So that's the plan. Stay tuned. It'll probably take multiple days, by the way, because I'm not gonna do it all today, but we'll see. It's just a mess. There's no decorations. It's like, that's all the stuff I brought. It's just awful. Also, I'm charging my camera, so I'm gonna switch over to that after this, but I'm just starting on my phone. So if the quality's bad, just bear with me. But look, it's just bad, so. Yes, I might even go shopping a little bit for things for the room. I don't need it to be perfect, but I want it to have like some unity and just be clean and cute. So now I'm going to clean out my closet. There's just like things in here that I don't even think about and I don't need at all. So I'm going to go through, get rid of a lot of stuff. Hopefully I need space to put things, so that's the plan. Okay, so this is my closet. If y'all would have seen it before, whoops, this looks a lot better. So this is like only the little corner. This right here is stuff from that I've left. They're just like formal dresses and stuff, and all of this is stuff I brought for Christmas. I'm insane. I don't know why I brought so much. Anyways, yeah, so this looks so much better. I'm getting rid of all of this. So yeah, I'm working on cleaning out this dresser, so let's go. So I haven't updated in a while. A lot has changed. I went and played tennis for a little bit and now I'm back. And Lauren is now helping me, but I'll give a little spiel of what it looks like. We are almost done, kind of, but I need a centerpiece for my wall, and I found these in the attic, and they're apparently like meaningful or something, but I really want to use them, and they kind of have like a cool frame, kind of. It's just kind of odd. Then this is the other picture that I found. So the frame's cool, the colors are cool, it's just kind of weird. I might use this one though. So yeah, that is my biggest tip, is use what you have. Go walk around your house and just use something. All right, here it is. Oh gosh. How we have it looking at the moment. Still lots to do, kind of, not like as much, but this is my corner. It looks the exact same as any Bronxville or College Station. What?
TBD.
What's that mean?
We're not sure what's happening over here.
Yeah, Lauren hasn't started her corner. But yeah, it's really gonna look great. It actually is so much better than this morning because this bed was under there and it was so annoying to have to pull it out every time. We had clutter, or I had clutter everywhere. We just got it to look so much better. But now we're gonna go to Target, do some shopping, and get some other things for this, so. Here we are, Target.
We are going to Target to get some food.
No, I'm not. Very aesthetic shop.
Very aesthetic. Look at this toothpick that I got at Bonsai.
In the pillow section, looking for some pillows. I'll let you know if I find anything. Already did that once.
But I need to charge mother,
Hello, so it is actually the next day from the day that I filmed the intro and actually started redoing the room. I finished redoing the room completely last night at like 1 o'clock in the morning, so that was really good. I did it in 24 hours, but my sister fell asleep and we share a room, and so I obviously didn't want to film, turn on all the lights and show what it looked like then. But anyways, I thought I would show the final result, and I only spent $25. Probably like actually, yeah, $25 to redo this whole room. And I don't know if it even looks that different on camera, but it just feels so much better. Like, it feels so much better having the bed separate, and just, we got rid of a lot of stuff, or I got rid of a lot of stuff. So got rid of the desk that was in here, so it just looks so much better and it feels so much better. So I'll show. This is Lauren's area. So she hasn't decorated her little corner, but basically my bed was underneath her bed and we just moved it over here and got something to lift it up. So that is so much better. Like, we actually have like our own sides, so that's amazing. And then we put in this dresser right here and cleaned out all the drawers. They were all full of like old high school clothes. Oh my gosh, okay, well, there's a drawer of shirts, pants, or shirts and pants, whatever. Separated our drawers, so we have separate drawers, and kind of just put all that stuff there. Mirror, everything is literally from old rooms and from around our house, so if it doesn't all go together, that's why, but it looks a little more unified. And then this is like the top shelf. Really, no, I don't know, this is probably my least favorite shelf, but it works. This shelf, books, stuff like that. Candle, that's like a gift from my mom. Oh my gosh, my hand. Then I just hung up my purses here. I thought that kind of looked like some piece of decoration. So if I don't have, usually for decorations, I hang up my purses and my hats for decoration. So that's a tip. This is my record player with all my records. Then my bed. And literally all of the decorations, so this was my mom's old comforter. It's for a king bed, but I just folded it up, put it here. This is like the most thin flannel thing, but it works because I really don't like big covers. Then Regan got me that, really cute. Yeah, this is all just so random. Like, I just found these like postcards from traveling and like pictures that I hung up in my reflection. Hi. And then this I found in my attic. And it's really creepy and weird looking, but I like the frame on it, so it works. And then, yes, that was the little crown that either Lexi or Avery wore in my mom and Vin's wedding. So basically it just is a lot more cozy and overall just so much better. And the theme is kind of the rug, so I know I wanted a theme. That's the best I could do, but I feel like it's not bad. And the only things that I bought from Target was this pillow, which just a big throw pillow, and then I got another like $3 pillow, so one of these, I don't know which one, but yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. That is it. I hope you could tell there was a transformation. I'm scared I didn't film enough of like the different parts of it, but we'll see. Who knows? You never know. Yes, I hope it was good. I hope it was fun to watch. Subscribe if you want. That'd be cool. Put my profile somewhere over here because I am so YouTube and I figured out how to do that, so no big deal. All right, I think that's it. Again, thank you so much for watching. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Wow. Okay, bye.